Adrian here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your text bold or italic or loads of other different ways to make your Facebook posts more engaging. So let's get on with this. Now, the tool I use for this is called yaytext. Here we are, yaytext.com. I shall leave a link below in the video description. And this box here is just where you add like a short paragraph of something you're advertising on Facebook. So if I paste a short bit of text I've got in here, I want to use to get some engagement. You can see here you've got short, straight through, long, straight through. Why would you want a line through all your body of your text anyway? Anyway, if we go down, we've got underline, double macron, underline, low line. One I want to show you today, guys, is further down here. This will make your Facebook post a lot more appealing and get a lot more engagement and comments asking people how. This is one I'm going to show you. It's bold italic sans. So if we copy this, we've got over copy here, copy or tweet it, and we can preview it on some of them. Some of them you can't. I'm just going to copy this one. I'll come back over to my Facebook. And let's just see how this looks when we get the coloured backgrounds up. Let's get the coloured background. Let's go with this one. It's quite plush. And let's see how this comes out. That's pretty good, guys. What do you think of that? That's how easy it is. I'm not going to post it. Let's find another one just to have a look at, see how it comes out. That's sort of Frank, that's old style writing. Come up a bit, come back to, where was I? Let's just go italic. Let's copy the italic one. Let's go and have a look at this, what this one would look like. Let's just go on a solid background this time. Let's go on a solid background of red. Let's see what this looks like. There you go. Who sells Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus product? Put your products in front of 100 buyer leads every day. Ask me how. That looks good. So that is how to change the body of your text in Facebook. So whatever you wanted to write, it doesn't have to be an advert. Obviously, it could just be. I could just go with hello. How are you all, my friends? Just something simple like that. Just copy that. No, we don't need to copy that. Sorry, what am I doing? Don't need to copy it. Just go down here. We just look for one that. This is so short, you see, guys. You could just. Where are we? You could put love hearts or something in front of every word. I don't like that. We'll just go bold, italic. Just copy that one. Let's go and have another look over Facebook. Again, we'll go with the solid background to have a look. Solid background, purple. What does this look like? See? There you go, guys. That is how you change your text font in Facebook. Not inside Facebook, but how if you wanted to post something like a good morning or happy Tuesday or anything like that, or even like you say an advert. If you're an affiliate marketer like myself, I'm an affiliate marketer and I like to post things to get engagement, it's a good little tool to use. It's called yaytext.com. I will leave a link in the description below. So if you found that video helpful, guys, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and also click the notification bell in the right hand corner, and I will be bringing out more great content like this. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. Hope you stayed till the end. If you did, like I said, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button, and I'll be back with more great content soon. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.